on this channel on my live streams, Tuesdays and Thursdays at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, here, TikTok, and Twitch. But today we are going to be doing a little bit of unboxing of supplies. I just want to show you guys what it looks like when I receive phone cases, charms, resin, some button machine supplies, everything, and then organizing it and putting it away all nice and tidy. But this amount of stuff is what I would order probably like once a month or once every 2 months. They're mostly charms and like resin stuff. There is a very particular stuff like keychains or things that are specific for orders. I did take a peek into all these packages to make sure that I'm unpacking things that are like for me, not for me, you know? Since I do order a lot of the stuff from Amazon, most of these packages are Amazon. However, we do have some American button machines, and that's it. Everything else is Amazon. But I just wanted to show you guys, we're gonna do a little ASMR, you know, unpackaging and, you know, putting away. So if you do not like the sound of cardboard and the sound of pieces of plastic, like just rummaging together, this might not be the video for you. But this is stuff I need to do anyways. Do I get this dolled up usually? No. I usually am doing this in my PJs. I am in my slippers, however. We're not dressing all the way up. Anywho, let's get started. With this guy. I did block out my address and stuff. How do I get Amazon to stop sending me little receipts? Because I hate them. A lot. So a lot of the stuff, very sadly, comes wrapped in plastic. Packaging like this, that is like the cardboard or like paper recyclable stuff, I put it in my recycle bin. But actually there's none of the packages here that I like to reuse, but I do reuse the ones that are plastic. You know, they're usually like white and blue. I use those to ship out larger items like laptops and tablets and switch cases. I don't see any of those today. These are all recyclable materials. So we're going to be doing that later. Ooh, ooh. Alright, we got some little flower guys, nice iridescent. So these, it's a pack of 200. And all of this stuff, I'm gonna have it put in my Amazon storefront. So if you want to get the same charms as me, you can, if they're in stock. A lot of this stuff was like low stock, so come on, focus. Oh, yes. Oh, it's too bright. Love it. So yeah, these are like little iridescent flowers. I have never gotten these shaped before, but yeah. As you may know, I do organize my charms, my little cabochons, charms and stuff, in color drawers. We have some warm tones, we have cool tones, black and white, pink, and then my rainbow drawer. So right now, I'm just going to put this bag of goodies to the side, and we're going to organize them by color to put them away after. First, let's open everything up. This is another thing of 200 pieces. Oh, these super useful little candy charms. Nice iridescent. I get these a lot. And they are in the same listing as the little flowers. A lot of these that are 200 pieces, they're in the same listing. It's just different color choices. Roses. I purchase this bag of 200 roses probably once a month or sometimes twice a month. Sometimes you get really lucky and it's very evenly sparsed out in colors. I really run out of the black super quickly, so usually when I run out of black, I just order another bag because sadly, they don't really sell a bag of just the black roses. That'd be nice, that'd be convenient, but that's not the world we live in. And I do believe there's going to be 3 of these that I'm unboxing today. I go through a lot. And I'm in dire need of black roses. Ooh, okay, this is the first time I get these charms. Little lollipops. So these guys come with little hooks that, little eye hooks that I just, you know, unscrew from. But these are cool if you make necklaces, little lollipop necklaces. but we're using them for cases, and these look like little dum-dums. Like, I really want to eat it. But sadly, it's like the bags are all open. What colors we got? We got blue ones, brown ones, which look like root beer. If you like the root beer dum-dums, then there's something wrong with you. You know what I mean? There's just so many other good choices out there than root beer. Let me know in the comments below if root beer is your favorite dum-dum. Or if it's not, then tell me which one's your favorite. The only good answers are strawberry, cotton candy, bubblegum. That's it. You know, those are the only right answers. But you can leave all your wrong answers below. We got some red. These are little baggies. Orange/yellow. These look like butterscotch. Again, disgusting flavor. The pink ones, which look like bubblegum. I love when it's stapled together, you know? These are very protected. Can you believe it? It's another bag. And these are, I used these before. Little heart shapes. They come in, they're kind of like multicolored. Like this one is teal and blue. We got some like pink and white. And like pink and orange. You know, they're cuties, and they are also in purple. They don't come with a lot in the bag, but I do use them all up, so. He's good. He's good. A bag within a bag. Yes. Yes. And with stickers. You never know when you need stickers. Oh, these are adorable little. Let's see, can I get like really close up? I've gotten some of these before, like in a pack, but it did not come with the little gyoza, so. Or the little crown. That's cute. Little rainbow, little star. Here, we'll show all the things. These are all empty. More roses. Hey. So sometimes you order and there's teal in it. Sometimes you order and there's no teal in it. It is what it is. And these roses have a distinct smell to them. I don't know how to describe it, but it hurts my teeth. The smell hurts my teeth. Does that make sense? No, but that is what I'm feeling. Aha! Ink cartridges. I do have my lovely printer. It's an HP OfficeJet 200, and what's nice about it is that it's portable. So if I ever need to print something out on the road, I can take it. It has battery. You know, it's charged up constantly because I have it plugged in. And the worst thing about this printer is that it runs out of ink so quickly, and the ink is very difficult to find sometimes. Like every time I go to Office Depot, it's out of stock. 200 pieces of something. So these are the same as the little flower ones, the first ones I opened, but they're hearts. I haven't gotten these in a while. They've been out of stock for a very long time, but yeah, they're like little hearts. Adorable, kind of, you know, the colors. This one I opened during the live yesterday because I needed to get out of the little bow, but these are bows. You know, little sparkly bows. Teeny tiny. And little sparkly stars. So what bothers me about this series of charms is that they come in the same colors, but then some of them come missing a color. So for example, same listing. These are both from the same listing. The stars and the bows. But there's no green bows. You know? Sad about. Why you gotta do this? Like why? This one has silver, gold, green, purple, pink, red, fuchsia. There's also no fuchsia of the bows either. Okay. You have the material, you have the molds, I see you. But, ooh. If you have arachnophobia, look away. Speeders. Look away if you have arachnophobia. Little guys. Adorable. Alright, if you have arachnophobia, you can look now. Hearts. Again, sometimes it's hit and miss. Hit or miss with these roses. With these hearts, because as you can see, I don't see any blue hearts in here. So it usually comes with blue, purple, fuchsia, red, gold, and silver, and a light pink, which I also do not see the light pink in here. I'm gonna have to order more. Yeah, when we go through it. And sometimes the silver come in holographic. These are just boring silver, which I use them, but it's just nice to have all the colors included. Did I see a blue one? We'll see when we go through it. We have these roses. They are smaller roses, and they come in more colors than these guys. And these roses, what I like about them is that they come in a lot of nice colors. There's some brown roses, which surprisingly, I use all of these colors. I do use up all of the colors in here, pretty much. Let's continue going with the Amazon. Resin! This is 2-part resin. This is what I use to make my pop sockets. I have the resin and the activator, which you have to mix to a ratio of 1:1 by volume, not weight. I saw somebody in the reviews for these guys being like, it didn't work, and then like they describe how they did it, and they did it by weight. So like, that's why. By volume. This is the first time that I use this brand, Smart Art. I'm smart. I'm art. You know. And I got this, or 2 gallons, 2 half gallons, so it makes a full gallon of resin. I usually do like around 24 ounces at a time, so I mix 12 and 12 at a time when I do pop sockets. That's the end of that thought. And a second one. I'll leave this one sealed. That is it for the Amazon stuff. We're good. This is from American Button Machines, and it supplies to make button pins that I use on the cases, but they're not pins. They're actually like flat backs. I'm trying something new. And I always thought that these were more expensive than the pins because it shows that the price is bigger on the American Button Machine, but then when you select the amount that I got, which I think was to make 1,000, yeah, it says on the bag. So this is enough material to make 1,000 pins. It was much cheaper, so I was like, I have been stupid. So, QR codes on how to make everything. So, if you saw my video that I just came out with, where I showed how I use my new button machine, you'll understand what all this is. It comes with 3 components. It comes with the Mylar, which comes wrapped like so. These are the clear Mylar circles. You can't see that. There you go. I do not keep it in this packaging. I just put it in a little baggie. And then very confusingly, oh, I'm gonna mess this up so much, but this is the flat back. They look very similar to the dome pieces. They're just not as domey. Gee, I'm gonna get that confused. Now, okay, yeah, the back part is smaller. It does sandwich in there really well. We're all over the place already. So this is the back. So this is the inside domey part. As I've said, the circle doesn't have to be perfect when you cut it. Just make sure it's 1. And, ooh, came out. Oh. I'm excited. I better be. I got 1,000 of them, so it better go well. It kind of looks like it should be a magnet. I know that they sell backs that are magnets, so while we're here with the lovely angle we've got going on, let's start with the heart. Here, let's separate one of each color. No blue. Blue is not here, and no iridescent. Sometimes you'll get one that is like a special, I call it like the rainbow special ones. Like once per bag, or sometimes 2 in a bag, are multicolored rainbow ones. Let me show you what they are. So sometimes they'll look like this. Cute. I like this one because it's like a muted rainbow. I guess after they're like done pouring all of the molds, whatever's left in their little cup, they just put it in a separate one and they mix it all together, right? So then it's like all the colors are left over, and then they just pour the last couple of molds with that. I don't know. So as I said, I do separate them by warm tones, cool tones, pink, black, and white. So alright guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found that somewhat satisfying. As I said, I go through that quite often, just organizing things by color to try to keep some semblance of organization in the studio. Now that I have more room, I could technically get more drawers so that I could separate everything by color. Will I do that? Tune in. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and film the B-roll of like each individual like set, I guess, so you can see it. And as I said, everything is in my Amazon storefront. And I'm gonna try and see if I can link everything below as well. Try not to put away the spiders. It's okay, they're just black spiders. I'll just put them in the black and white drawer and bada bing, bada boom, we're done. But anyways, thank you for joining me. As always, I go live every Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok. So make sure you join me on one of my live streams so you can see me make the phone cases, which is what we use the charms for. Let's see how often I do these. Let me know if you like this. If it's something you like, if it's something you hate, please let me know as well. I would just please tell me in a polite way, like in a constructive criticism way. Let me know. That's it. Thank you for joining me, guys. I hope you have a great day wherever you are. You're staying safe, and that's it. Bye.